Hello! Subscribe the Curious Topic for further updates and hit the bell icon for more videos. Today we will be discussing one of the curious topic. So let us now begin with the list of top 10 hottest actress in Europe. Number 10. Maria Grazia Cucinotta. Maria Grazia Cucinotta is an Italian actress who has featured in many films and television series since 1990. She has also worked as a producer, screenwriter and model. Cucinotta was born in Messina province of Messina, Sicily, Italy. She is well known in Italy as a movie star. Number 9. Seda Igrediri. Seda Igrediri is a Turkish-born actress, a director known outside her country as the Turkish Delight. She was born in Bursa, Turkey and grew up in Istanbul, Turkey. She moved to Evansville, Wisconsin in her senior year of high school as an exchange student and participated in several stage shows. After then, she came to be very well known through her movies. Number 8. Paz Vega. She was an actress. Actress Paz Campos Trigo was born in Seville, Spain to a bullfighter father. She has been based in Los Angeles since 2008. She has starred in dozens of films in Europe, North America. After 6 successful seasons, Laura in 7 Live, one of the Spain's longest running sitcoms. Number 7. Olga Kurilenko. Olga Kurilenko is a Ukrainian-born actress and a model. Went for sharing a cramped flat with her aunt, uncle, grandparents and cousin to start her as a Bond girl opposite Daniel Craig. She was born in Ukraine, Soviet Union. She is very well known for her very famous roles in various movies. Number 6. Bianca Balti. Bianca Balti was born in Lodi, Lombardy, Italy. She is an actress known for Go-Go Tales 2007, The Tales of a Fairy in 2011 and The Ultimate Beastmaster in 2017. She was previously married to Matthew McRae and Christine Lucidi. Number 5. Elsa Pataki. Elsa Pataki was born in Elsa Lafuente Medainu in Madrid, Spain. Her mother Cristina Medainu is a publicist of the Romanian and Hungarian ancestry and her father Jose Francisco Lafuente is a Spanish biochemist. She attended the University de San Pablo, CEU, where she studied journalism. After that, she stepped into the film industry where she gained a lot of popularity among her fans. Number 4. Marion Cotillard. Academy Award-winning actress Marion Cotillard was born in Paris. Cotillard is the daughter of Jean-Claude Cotillard, an actor, playwright and director, and Nassima Thioulard, an actress, a drama teacher. Her father's family is Breton. So as we come to know that Maria is already born in an actor's family. So after that, she took the footsteps of her father and mother and started her career in the film industry. Number 3. Monica Bellucci. Monica Anna Maria Bellucci was born in Italian village of Città di Clesto, Umbria, the only child of Brunella Briganti and Pasquale Bellucci. She originally pursued a career in the legal profession while attending the University of Perugia. She also started modeling side by side to her studies. After that, she stepped into the film industry and gained a lot of fame. Number 2. Eva Green. French actress and model Eva Giala Green was born in Paris, France. Her father, Walter Green, is a dentist who appeared in 1966 film Au Hazard Balthazar in 1966. Her mother, Marlene Jobert, is an actress turned children's book writer. Already Eva Green's ancestors were in the film industry. Finally, she also decided to get into this industry and achieve a lot of name and fame. Let us now discuss about the lady who tops our list of hottest actress in Europe. Number 1. Penelope Cruz. Known outside her native country as the Spanish ancestors, Penelope Cruz Sanchez was born in Madrid. Eudorado Cruz, a retailer, and Encarsa Sachis, a hairdresser. As a toddler, she was already a compulsive performer, reenacting TV commercials to her family's amusement. She was very hardworking, as a result of which she tops our list among the hottest actresses in Europe. Thanks for watching our video.